everyone! Today I will demonstrate on how to make Java rice for our starch dishes. So, before anything else, I already prepared the ingredients we need. So, we have the leftover rice, the garlic, butter, ketchup, soy sauce, oil, annatto seed, salt, and pepper to taste. So, let us now proceed to the cooking. In cooking, we need frying pan or wok, ladle, and the stove. So, let's start. First is we have to heat the wok. So as you see, we have the annatto seed. This annatto seed is for the color of our Java rice. So since this is not edible to intake, so we will first combine the cooking oil and the annatto seed in our wok. So it's already hot. So we will start. Cooking oil, then the annatto seed. So you see, there is a change of color. So, after, remove the seed. Make sure that all the seeds are removed. Next is we have to saute the garlic. Then the butter. Again, do not overcook the garlic. Then we will add the ketchup. Soy sauce. Okay. Then add the leftover rice. Make it sure that the color is well incorporated and distributed to the rice. Add salt and pepper to taste. So we will just wait until it is done. So as you can observe, Java rice is shiny in color. I am now done with my Java rice. So later I will let you see the output of my Java rice. So now, let's proceed to my vegetable dishes, which is the buttered cabbage vegetable. So, I already prepared the cabbage, butter, the bell pepper, and salt to taste. So, let's proceed. Frying pan is already hot, so let's reduce the fire to the lower. vegetable. I am done with my vegetable, and again later I will show you the output. So now let us proceed with the main dish. Chicken fillet with white sauce. Okay, so first we have to coat first the chicken fillet in the flour. Okay, so this flour, I already combined it with salt and pepper. Okay? One technique in frying, so do not overcrowd your pan. It's already hot, so we will fry the chicken fillet. Until it is golden brown. So, while waiting for the chicken fillet to cook, let's proceed in making our white sauce or the bechamel. Let's now proceed to our white sauce. So, we will first put the butter. Then add the evaporated milk. Then the white cream. Salt to taste. And the pepper. Okay, so the cream alone can thicken your sauce, so you no need to put thickening agent. Let's just wait to thicken the sauce before we remove it in fire. Final output of your bechamel. The chicken fillet is already done, so we remove this from the oil. So this is how we are going to plate our project 1. So we have now the soup, which is the cream soup for lunch. So we will now have our standard clock plating. So first we will put our main dish. Main dish, as I said, we have it 3 to 9 o'clock. Then we will put on top the white sauce. Next, we will plate the vegetable dishes. As I said, vegetable is from 11 to 3. Okay?
Wrong. Wrong. Wrong.
Make sure to put some garnish on it. Next is we have our starch, which is the Java rice. So this is now your project 1. Soup, starch, vegetable, and the main dish.